know that financial planning for IT professionals is a bit different? Well, this video is to guide IT professionals as to what they should be looking for when they are drafting their financial plan. This is Swati Basi, your virtual financial advisor. For the best advice on personal finance, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. As an IT professional, you may face many challenges when planning your financial future due to many financial products that you may have, such as RRSP, RESP, TFSA, mortgages, line of credits, credit cards, and many more. In order to simplify your financial situation, I have created this guide to help you map out your financial future.
Financial planning is a roadmap to your financial future that provides a comprehensive plan to achieve all your financial goals. Unfortunately, when many Canadians think of financial planning, they are only considering retirement investments. However, financial planning is much more than that. Financial planning includes financial management, retirement planning, risk management, estate planning, investment planning, and tax planning. A comfortable lifestyle on a tech salary. As an IT professional, you may earn a good salary. However, you will still need to budget to make sure your money is being spent correctly. Far too many IT professionals get to the end of the month only to realize that they have no idea where their money went. The money being spent may maintain a comfortable lifestyle, but not enough money is being saved. You want to start taking advantage of the tax-free or tax-deferred accounts as soon as possible so you can retire comfortably. Make the most of your employee benefits. If you are a full-time IT professional, you have a chance to earn more income and receive other benefits such as medical insurance, life insurance, and paid vacations and other benefits. If you work for a company that provides you with these benefits, then you should absolutely take advantage of it. Buy property while you work. As your financial goals and needs change over time, one of the best investments can be purchasing a home. As an IT professional, if you have good credit and the income, you will be able to purchase a home. If you are incorporated, look to invest into an IPP. An IPP is a registered defined benefit pension plan provided by your corporation. Setting up a pension for yourself inside your own business is a smarter, more secure strategy, and you can include shareholders and key executives as well. It offers benefits both for you as the future retiree and for your company. It's like a supercharged RRSP, allowing for the accumulation of more assets up to 65% more, with so many benefits, such as tax-deferred compounding until you retire. Create a comprehensive benefit package if you're working on a contract. When working on a contract, you don't have access to employers' group benefits, so it's wise to create an individual comprehensive benefit package to take advantage of similar benefits provided under group plans. If you are an IT professional, you can secure your financial future with these tips. But only if you think you can't handle your finances, ask us how. And secure your finances now. Do you want to unblock your financial abundance? Heal your relationship with money? Create ease with money? Attune to the frequency of abundance of savings and create wealth in the most tax-efficient way? Then click the link below for your complimentary Secure Gateway Game Plan Financial Worksheet. This free financial worksheet is one-of-a-kind document created by me and available nowhere else. So why wait? Go ahead and click the link below to get your complimentary financial worksheet now.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up sign, subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. Personal finance made easy, so it's time to start your own financial game plan.